Here I have Samsung Galaxy S4, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So firstly, you have to open your camera, and here in camera you have to tap here. Now here you have modes. You have to go to the settings. Okay, so here you have settings, and in settings you can find timer here. You can set it on 2, on 5, or on 10 seconds. So let's set it on 2 or on 5, for example, and try to make a photo. And as you can see, timer works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.